In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix Cash App transfer failed. First and foremost, begin by opening your Cash App. Whenever you encounter difficulties while attempting to make a payment, there are several potential reasons behind this occurrence. To start, if you're attempting to send money from your cash balance, it's crucial to ensure that your cash balance holds sufficient funds. If your balance is insufficient, an error message stating payment for might appear. Another scenario could involve your desire to switch to an alternative payment method. If you possess different methods, consider connecting a different bank account or adding a new card. This approach might resolve the issue you're facing. Lastly, there might be situations where the issue isn't originating from your end, but rather from the recipient side. Occasionally, Cash App might flag someone's account as a spam account. In order to safeguard you from potential fraudulent activities, Cash App might intentionally fail the payment to prevent funds from being sent to suspicious accounts. If you believe this is a misunderstanding, you have the option to contact the support team. Access this by tapping the top right corner, then scrolling down to find the support section, initiate a chat with them, and explain that you're encountering issues with making a transaction despite your intention to do so. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.